In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert mono to stereo in Adobe Audition, step by step. If you've recorded a voiceover, podcast, or instrument in mono and need a stereo file for delivery, this process is quick and reliable. Converting mono to stereo in Adobe Audition essentially creates two identical channels, left and right, so your audio plays back properly in stereo environments without sounding off-center or causing issues in certain players. It won't magically create spatial detail, but it will give you a clean, professional stereo file that meets common export requirements. Start by opening your mono audio in the waveform editor. This is important because you're working directly on a single file, making the conversion straightforward and easy to monitor. Once your file is open, head to Edit and choose Convert Sample Type. You can also press Shift+T to reach the same dialog faster. This window is where you control how the file is formatted, including sample rate, bit depth, and, most importantly for this task, the number of channels. In the Convert Sample Type dialog, find the channels dropdown and select Stereo. This tells Audition to create a left and right channel from your existing mono signal. Remember, this duplicates the audio to both sides, which is exactly what you want for a clean dual mono stereo file. It won't add artificial width, but it ensures proper playback and compatibility across platforms. Before you apply the change, take a moment to adjust the channel levels. By default, Audition may set each channel to 50%. That can make the overall level feel lower than your original mono track. To maintain perceived loudness while keeping healthy headroom, set both the left and right channel values to 71%. That figure corresponds to roughly a 3 dB change per channel, which, when summed by listeners in certain playback scenarios, preserves the sense of level you had in mono without unwanted volume jumps. It's a practical, balanced setting that keeps your meters honest and your mix consistent. Use the preview if available, and watch your meters. If your peaks were already near the ceiling, this adjustment helps reduce the chance of clipping while still sounding full. Once you're satisfied, apply the conversion. You'll now see your file labeled as stereo with distinct left and right channels. That's it. You've converted a mono file to a properly leveled stereo file in Audition, ready for editing, panning in a mix, or exporting to your delivery specs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly formatted audio.